Hello, this is my demo for Advancement 2 with multiplayer Pong game. So as you can see, it's currently flashing choosing between single player or multiplayer. For us to choose between single player and multiplayer, it's either you're going to be choosing 4 or 6. If you choose 6, then we will be doing multiplayer. But if you do 4, we will be doing single player. So in this case, since we will be doing multiplayer first, to change the up and down of player 2, you can use either 1 or A in this case. And if you want to restart, it's going to be the star sign. It's the same one when we go back to the menu. And player 2 will always be using, player 1, sorry, will be using this console here. And replay button is only available to player 1, so we just have to keep pressing this to keep replaying and having a match. And for this LEDs, red means that player 1 actually wins or hits the paddle, and player 2 or AI player wins if the white LED is on after we are in the replay state. So I will be showing that right now. Since I will be doing two players at the same time, I'm just gonna set it up real quick on my man-made 2-player or camera stand, and then I can show you right now how both of this should play. So currently I will be choosing 6, and then I could show you that moving A and 1 moves player 2. So let me move it a little bit. There we go. So I will be choosing 6 right now. So right now you can see that I could actually move. Oh, it seems that I forgot to update that. No, I messed it up. It should have been, this is player 1 and this is player 2 actually. Sorry about the confusion. I forgot that this is not part A, this is part B. So just to reiterate, this is actually for player 1 winning, and this is for player 2 winning. So red light for player 2, white light is for player 1 winning. So again, I will be clicking replay. So now I could play. Here we go. So currently I am pushing the buttons for both right now, as you can see. I shall, there we go, and A. So right now, since player 1 actually missed that shot, it's the red light that's showing. And then for player 1, you can still choose here. And if I replay again, it should hit, there we go, light again. And I have a corner shot there. There we go. So as you can see, I won in this player 1, and it's the white button. So that's how the score is kept. And if I restart, which is this, you will see that it will go back to the menu button. And if I do 4, which is my single player mode, I will be pressing it right now. Sorry. In this case, since there is always a delay on the keypad, I need to restart the console. So there we go. So it's the same thing, it's just that the AI player is the one that is the red in this case. And I could just keep going and play, but I will purposely lose. And then we could go to restart again. and then we could choose second player again. So there is always a delay, but there we go. And if I click this again, which is the reset, go back to 4, which is I will properly hopefully press. There we go. You can see that I could always click this to go back to the menu bar and then keep choosing which one should I play. So right now, there's a corner shot, and you can see I can keep going and playing, and there we go. And then for this last round, I will let player 1 win, and if I go back to my start menu, everything will be off, and it's still gonna be waiting for the person to play or not, with single player or multiplayer mode. That is advancement 2 for lab 11, demo for Pong game.